Hi, I'm Justin Ball, the owner of the HammerHead store and HammerHead Showers, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to install our 3-spray dual shower head set. So let's start off. I'll show you what's included in the 3-spray dual shower head set and what tools you'll need for installation. If you look down here, you have your handheld shower head, rain shower head, diverter valve, and shower hose, okay? You'll have included thread tape and this Allen wrench to tighten down the diverter locking screws. What you will need in addition to what's included in the box is an adjustable wrench, and a towel to cover up the drain, and a cloth to clean the shower arm threads. Like everything HammerHead showers, these parts are solid metal and built to last. So let's go ahead and get into installing these. So first things first, take the towel, throw it over your drain. Because when you're installing the diverter valve, it does have these screws, and you want to make sure, just in case these fall out, they don't go down the drain. We do include a couple of extras, but better safe than sorry. So step one, we're gonna remove the old shower head. Okay, so just with an adjustable wrench, loosen it up there. If you have a dirty shower arm pipe with thread tape, you'll want to get all the thread tape off of it and then take a cloth and clean it down. The cleaner the threads, the better the seal. So make sure you do that. Now what we're gonna do is take the thread tape that's included, okay, and we're gonna do 5 turns of this clockwise. There you go, smooth it out with your fingers. So now we'll come to the solid brass diverter valve. So just factory setting, these shouldn't be tightened down. Just make sure they're not they're not tightened down. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to get this on the pipe. So this looks good to go. And there is a pre-installed washer in there. Okay, so nothing else needed. We're just going to hand tighten this on to the shower arm. Once it gets nice and snug, we'll come over here. So now you'll take the hex wrench and we'll tighten down this one here. And this one is gonna bite on, to the shower arm pipe. And then this one's gonna lock the connection at the shower arm pipe onto the body of the diverter. So there's like no swaying at all. There you go. This is snug. So that's honestly the hardest part. Now we'll take the flexible metal hose, 72 inches long. It's got pre-installed washers in both of them. Just make sure they're in there, seated nicely. And you'll just hand tighten this. Make sure you get the round conical nut onto the hand shower side. Okay. And then here, and just a little extra turn there. Untangled there. And now you're gonna want to use thread tape on these front threads, just like we did shower arm. And now the last part is the rain shower head, and you'll have the screened washer installed in there with the flow regulator right behind it. And then there's a little notch right here. You can come see that right here on both sides. So with the adjustable wrench, we'll just get a little extra turn on this. There you go, and straighten this out. And there you go. So now that we have it all installed, let's run some water through it and test for leaks. So starting with the rain shower head, we'll take a look here and see if there's any water coming out, and there's not. If there is, just make sure you have a lot of thread tape on this and that you tighten this down as much as you can, okay? Next, we'll look here at the connection to the shower arm. Same thing here, just make sure you put thread tape on these threads and tighten this down securely, and that the washer was seated in there. We'll go to the handheld shower head next, and we'll be looking at the hose connection to the hand shower and not seeing any leaks. There's no thread tape here, so just make sure that the washers are securely seated in there and that you tighten it down enough. So there you have it, the 3-spray dual shower head set by HammerHead Showers. I'm Justin Ball, the shower head guy, signing out for now.